Good day, Minister Felix Mona. Panapa voyavonyorerwa tsamba pamusoro aiwa kwekudhisapoindwa kuitwa mutungamiri wenyika muzora nhasi. Patona kuti 45 years down the line kuGokwe vachinocelebrate independence. Obviously ukaona nyika yakunoselecta toda unocelebrate kuGokwe yatoonekwa kuti ndo the best amongst nzvimbo dzose dzachifanira kuitirwa this ceremony. Sanapinda mashoko ataona kuti aiwa vakomana ava vakaselecta vanyadziswa panguva ine. Ndombo subscribe like on the bell kuti mina painda fadzema ndamudanyora chiti Minister Mona, you are the Minister of Transport and Infrastructural Development. You are responsible for the state of Zimbabwe's roads networks. They told us you were crowned the best minister in Zimbabwe's cabinet. We highlighted that the award was farcical in light of the dilapidated state of Zimbabwe's roads. The video below was made by your party mates as they made their way to your party's Independence Day commemoration. Look at the state of the road that take you to Gokwe where your commemorations is being held. Why is there more potholes than road? Why is it not properly tarred? Where is the drainage? Where are the markings and road signs? Can you see all those ZANU-PF official cars stuck in the mud? Can you hear your ZANU-PF colleague lamenting the dilapidated state of the road saying, Pakashata? This is precisely why we pointed out that the award must have required vast incompetence and poor service delivery as criteria, because that is the state of the road network over which you superintended. If Zimbabwe was a normal country, you would resign. Chaora #845. Ndomasvika yachiudzwa panapa zvinzi aiwa panapa makutoita kuti mutungamiri wenyika ave disappointed. Noda kuti muri kuappointiwa semabest performing ministers, but road inoenda kuGokwe makatozara mapotholes todarika road. Nange mutungamiri wenyika kanzi aifambe road iyoyo ndekwa kuri kunzi haana kuuya nehelicopter yake akadai akanakirwa akaonerera zvake. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuna comment section yedu. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.